problem we have here is the dryer was not drying the clothes properly. So we took some advice from Chris, the property owner. Said that he heard a remedy for the problem. And what it was, a leaf blower. So we take the leaf blower and we hook it to the aluminum discharge tube on the dryer going out of the house. We install the leaf blower into the accordion type exhaust right here. Then we turn the leaf blower on.
Now I'll look outside.
Okay. Now look outside and see if you see a pile of lint.
Okay, turn it on, Danny. See. There's the lint. And up here is the vent.